Welcome to the instructions video for the wire gauge voltage drop AWG calculator. In this video, we will show you how to use this tool to determine the correct wire gauge size for your electrical projects and avoid excessive voltage drop. This calculator helps you select the appropriate wire gauge based on 4 key parameters. First, enter the current in amps that your circuit will draw. Second, input the one-way distance from your power source to the load in feet. Third, specify your supply voltage, such as 12 or 24 volts for DC systems. Finally, set your acceptable voltage drop percentage, typically between 3 and 5%. The calculator uses the resistance characteristics of copper wire and the voltage drop formula to determine the minimum wire cross-sectional area required, then matches it to the nearest standard AWG size that meets your requirements. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Check them out at FIRGELLIauto.com.